about as zoomed out as we can be. That's messed up. What did the sticker even say? Where did it go? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bridupre, and I'm coming back to you with another hair tutorial. So I did get this wig from my local beauty supply store. This is, I don't know, I guess it's called, I don't really know the brand. Oh, Harlem 125. This is the style KML05 in the color SGT4613. This is how the card looks here. When you guys see me, the recording of me, you know, dipping and twisting and making this hair everything that you see here now, I wasn't sure if this hair is heat proof, but it does say that you can put it from 280 up to 350 degrees. This is synthetic hair, in case you guys didn't gather that. I'm not exactly sure how long it is though. It doesn't say in the card the length, but I say this is at least 26 inches, something along those lines. It honestly does not say how long it is, which I think is funny. I think it is hilarious. This is how long it is on me. This is why I think it's like at least 26, 28, because it's like, this is my belly, so my belly button's right here, and it's like basically to my belly button. So normally that's about what 26 and 28 fall on me. 32 falls a little like by my butt, so that I think this is more like a 26, something like that, or 28. Yeah, but I love this hair. Like I said, I wasn't sure if it was heat protectant or heat safe. So a good thing to do for you guys if you are trying to lay your hair flat, like that has a middle part like this one, is to just use your blow dryer. I just use my blow dryer on high heat. And I used a like soft bristle brush. You guys will see it in the video. And I just blow dried downwards with some, with a wax stick. I just blow dried downwards, only going right here because you obviously don't want to mess up this beautiful crimpy like texture, in order to achieve a flat lay. I didn't really go into how my braids look or go into detail or show you guys how I braided my hair in the video, because I am not a good braider by any means. I do have overall 12 braids in my head because I wanted this to lay flat. I knew I was doing a middle part, so I've got 6 braids on this side, 6 braids on this side. I just flipped my braids up, which I show you in this video, and then I did lay my stocking cap using the Got To Be glue hairspray, and like did the whole thing that you see all these other weaveologists out here doing to lay down these closures. I did use some regular lace glue, which if I can find it online, I think I bought it because I was watching like Slayed by Jordan and he was talking about it. It comes in a pink tube. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. So I did 2 layers of the Got To Be glue on my stocking cap, and then 2 layers of the lace glue on my actual like scalp on my forehead right here. So I cut off a lot of the lace. I do have a big head, so as you can see like here, it doesn't fully go, so that's why I have to wear it either tucked behind my ears like this or down, or if I do put it back, I will have to make sure that it's covered, because you don't want to get clocked, girl. You do not want to get clocked for rain. I hope you can't see my tracks now that I'm thinking about it, because I'm like put all my hair to the front and like hopefully you can't see them. So then I just put a little bit of concealer on my parts, and that's it. This wig was a little bit small for me. Like I said, I do have a big head. I did cut the bottom of the wig just a little bit, just to give me a little bit of leeway, because sometimes when I wear wigs that are too small for my head, it ends up giving me a headache, and I am going to work, so I won't be able to, like, you know, just take this off for the fun of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick little easy tutorial thing that I've sort of set up for you. Highly recommend this hair. Like I said, I found this at my local beauty supply store. They were doing a buy one get one free wig sale. If I can find something similar to this, I will link it down below. I will save this card and I will try to link it for you guys down below, but I'm not sure if it will be down there or not, so don't clock me. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, not a lot of shedding. Okay, so a little bit of shedding. But this is a cheap wig. I don't expect it to last long, but I think it's cute. Bye.